One very derogatory interview given by Urmila Matondkar. The way she was talking about me, just completely teasing through the interview, pulling faces and just making a mockery out of my struggles. I know it's very blatant, but no, I want to ask you, she's not known for her acting for sure. If she can get a ticket, why won't I get a ticket?
In a shocking new development that no one expected, Kangana Ranaut has questioned Urmila Matondkar's credentials as an actor and referred to her films in a derogatory manner. Kangana's insulting comments came after she took offense to Urmila Matondkar questioning her comments against Mumbai and her constant attacks on members of the film fraternity. Kangana has alleged multiple times that she has faced nepotism, lobbying, assault and even ridicule from the film industry and has had to struggle for over years to achieve success. In the past as well, Kangana has been very vocal in her criticism for producers, directors and actors who belong to the film industry. However, in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput case, Kangana's criticism and attacks have extended to multiple colleagues in the film industry, which ironically are also outsiders just like herself. Kangana may have returned to Manali, but her conflict with Bollywood celebrities is far from over. She has clashed with Jaya Bachchan, who spoke up against maligning the film industry after finding success and employment there, and subsequently Urmila Matondkar.
It's a shame. जिस थाली में खाते हैं, उसमें छेद करते हैं.
In an interview, Urmila had questioned Kangana's comments against a senior member of the fraternity like Jaya Bachchan and also criticized her use of words which she felt lacked decorum. Urmila commented that while she agrees that there is room for improvement in the industry, constantly playing the victim and incessantly attacking the industry and city which has given her love and acceptance is not in good taste. Urmila also allegedly commented that Kangana was taking this path in the hope of getting a ticket from the ruling party at the centre and asked her to name the celebrities she claims consumed banned substances. Where are the names? I would like Kangana to actually come forward and do us all a huge favour by giving out those names and call out those people. Let's have it all out. I will be the first one to say thumbs up to you, girl, Urmila said. Kangana, who spoke to a news channel for the first time after her office building was vandalized, attacked Urmila Matondkar for the questions she raised and alleged that Urmila was mocking her struggle and ridiculing her by making strange expressions and faces.
One very derogatory interview given by Urmila Matondkar. The way she was talking about me, just completely teasing through the interview, pulling faces and just making a mockery out of my struggles.
While responding to Urmila's suggestion about Kangana having political aspirations, Kangana made shocking statements about her as an actor and ridiculed her vast body of work by saying that if someone like Urmila, who is known only for her titillating films, can get a ticket, then why should it be difficult for her?
If she can get a ticket, why won't I get a ticket? Anybody is getting a ticket, everybody is getting a ticket.
Urmila has received a lot of support from celebrities like Swara Bhaskar, Anubhav Sinha and Farah Khan, who complimented her on her achievements as an actor. Netizens have also lashed out against Kangana and reminded her of the many successful and path-breaking films that Urmila has been a part of. It's sad to see that what supposedly began as a campaign to seek justice for Sushant has now devolved into a personal vendetta-seeking campaign by individual celebrities who are indulging in mudslinging against each other. Sadly, blaming the entire industry or insulting individuals will not help clarify what happened with the late actor or create any real reform or long-term change in Bollywood.